This question was asked in GATE 2021 EE paper for 1 marks. Suppose the circles x square plus y square is equals to 1 and x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equals to r square intersect each other orthogonally at the point u and v, then u plus v is. The NPTEL video reference for this question is Basic Calculus 1 and 2 by Professor Parasar Mohanty, Department of Mathematics, IIT Kanpur. Some useful information in order to solve this question is the definition of orthogonal circles. Two circles are said to be orthogonal if the angle of intersection between both the circles is 90 degrees. By angle of intersection between two circles, we mean the angle between the tangent lines drawn at the point of intersection of the two circles such that the tangent drawn at one circle passes through the center of the other circle. For example, let C1 and C2 be two intersecting circles and A and B be their points of intersection. Let T1 and T2 be the tangents drawn at the point of intersection A such that T1 passes through the center of C2 and T2 passes through the center of C1. Then the angle made by these two tangents at the point of intersection is the angle of intersection of the two circles. When alpha is equals to 90 degrees, then the two circles C1 and C2 are said to be orthogonal. Now let T1 have slope of m1 and T2 have slope of m2. Since T1 and T2 are perpendicular to each other, the product of their slopes should be equals to -1. Thus m1 times m2 should be equal to -1. In order to find slope of its tangent, we need to differentiate this equation once with respect to x, which implies the slope dy by dx, which is m1, is minus x by y. Now we consider the second circle and differentiate it with respect to x in order to find its slope, which implies dy by dx, which is m2, is minus of x minus 1 by y minus 1. Since the two circles are orthogonal, we have product of m1 and m2 equals to -1. Plugging in the values of m1 and m2 from equation 1 and 2, we have, which implies now since we have x square plus y square is equals to 1 as the equation of the first circle, we use this value in this equation and we get x plus y is equals to 1. Now since the two circles intersect at the point u and v orthogonally, we put x is equals to u and y is equals to v in this equation to get u plus v is equals to 1, which was asked in the original question. So the value of u plus v is 1, which is the required answer.